Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install and use AI Mirror. So first you open your Play Store, or if you are using iPhone you just open your App Store. Then in the search bar you type AI Mirror, you will see the application, this one, and if you can't see it in your App Store or in your Play Store, you just close the Play Store, you go and open your browser, and in the search bar you type AI Mirror and you will find the link to install it. You just click the link and you will find the application and you can install it. After that you just go and open the application. It will ask you to log in and sign into your account. You just press continue. You can fill this one, you cannot skip it. So for example, let's choose this one. Then you will find different options, different videos. For example, you choose this one, you click on start if you want to use this one. Then it is very simple and very easy. You just click on the choose photo button, you click there, you choose the photo that you want from gallery, and you continue to generate that video or that image with that AI. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.